In the tranquil hills of a small village, nestled amidst swaying bamboo and fragrant blossoms, there lived a humble narrator known only as the Sage of Serenity. His tales, woven with wisdom and simplicity, captivated the hearts of all who listened. Today, he shares the timeless secrets of achieving anything in life. Once upon a time, in a bustling town far away, there was a young man named Liang. Though filled with dreams and aspirations, Liang found himself lost amidst the chaos of expectations and doubts. Seeking guidance, he journeyed to the Tranquil Village where the Sage of Serenity resided. As Liang approached the humble abode of the sage, he noticed the serene aura that enveloped the surroundings. The air was filled with the sweet melody of chirping birds, and the gentle rustle of leaves whispered ancient secrets of wisdom. Entering the sage's dwelling, Liang bowed respectfully and spoke, "Great sage, I seek your wisdom on how to achieve anything in life." The Sage of Serenity smiled warmly and motioned for Liang to sit beside him. To achieve anything in life, one must first understand the nature of desire, he began. Liang listened intently as the sage continued. Desire, like a wild river, can either guide you to great heights or sweep you away in its turbulent currents. To achieve anything, you must learn to harness the power of desire and channel it towards your goals. "But how do I do that, Weezer Sage?" Liang inquired, his brow furrowed with uncertainty. The sage chuckled softly. "Patience, young one. Patience is the key," he replied. "Before setting out on any journey, one must first cultivate the art of patience. Rome was not built in a day, and neither will your dreams be realized overnight." Liang nodded thoughtfully, understanding dawning upon him like the first light of dawn. "But what of obstacles, great sage? How does one overcome the hurdles that stand in the way of their dreams?" The Sage of Serenity smiled knowingly. "Obstacles are but stepping stones on the path to greatness," he explained. "Embrace them as opportunities for growth, and you will find that every setback is a lesson in disguise." With each word spoken by the sage, Liang felt a newfound sense of clarity and purpose stirring within his heart. "And what about fear, wise one? How does one conquer the crippling grip of fear that holds them back from achieving their dreams?" "Fear is but an illusion, my dear boy," the sage reassured. "It is a shadow cast by the mind, born from the unknown. To conquer fear, one must shine the light of courage upon it, for in the light of courage, fear cannot thrive." Liang nodded, his eyes alight with determination. "Thank you, great sage, for your invaluable wisdom. I shall heed your words and embark upon my journey with patience, resilience, and courage." As Liang bid farewell to the Sage of Serenity and set out on his journey, he carried with him the timeless teachings that would guide him through the trials and tribulations that lay ahead. With each step he took, he knew that achieving anything in life was not merely a destination, but a journey of self-discovery and enlightenment. And so, dear listener, let us take a moment to reflect upon the wisdom imparted by the Sage of Serenity. May we all embrace the power of patience, resilience, and courage as we journey forth on the path to achieving our wildest dreams. For in the stillness of our hearts lies the boundless potential to achieve anything we set our minds to.